Welcome back to Glory Homemaker. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video, we'll be making Ewa Agoyin, and we'll be using this dried Tatashe, dried bell peppers, and the dry peppers, and the beans. Here is the beans I use, sweet beans. You can use honey beans as well. I've removed the stones and the chaff, and I've soaked it in water for about 2 hours now. When you soak your beans, it helps decrease flatulence and bloating. It will clean the beans. The water will drain out all the insecticides that were used for the beans. So let's get cooking. So first, I soak the Tatashe in hot water. I've soaked the both peppers in hot water. I will allow it for 20 minutes so that the peppers will get softer. Here is the beans. I soaked it for up to 2 hours and I washed it. When you soak it for that long, it helps it cook faster. So today I'll be using my pressure pot to save gas and time. I add in salt because it's the pressure pot. If you're cooking with the ordinary pot, you should add in salt when the beans is already very soft. I'll cover and start cooking the beans. I'll come back to it in 45 minutes. So the Tatashe, the dry bell peppers, I've soaked it for 20 minutes. I've washed and removed the seeds inside. So I'll put it into the blender. I'll add in the peppers and ginger. Onions. This requires lots of onions. Crayfish. I add in little water. Then I blend it all in together. To start the sauce now, in a dry pan, I add in bleached palm oil. I'll leave a video link of this bleached palm oil in the description box. The oil is hot enough. I add in chopped onion. I stir this in. I'll have to stir fry this on a high heat for about 5 minutes. You fry the onions till they turn this in color, like it's almost burnt, but it's not burnt. I reduce the heat now and I introduce the pepper blend. This is the texture of my pepper blend. Add it to the oil. Now I'm going to be stir frying this on a medium heat. To fry this Agoyin sauce, you have to be on standby. Please don't leave it and move too far away so that it doesn't burn. You have to be constantly turning it in a circular motion. We'll keep stirring this. We are going to an even more darker color. Just exercise a little patience. Don't leave it and go far away. Keep turning it in circular motion still. I've been frying this for 45 minutes now. I go in and add the seasoning cubes, break it in. I add in salt and I stir them in. I always say that your seasoning and your salt should be proportional to the quantity of food you're cooking. If you're not sure, add in small quantity per time and adjust as you cook along. I'll keep frying this for some more till it gets drier. The sauce is ready now. You can see the color. It tastes so delicious. Let's go and check on the beans. The beans has been ready. The beans has cooked tender enough. You can see it's very tender. So we are going to match it now. Please subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free. You will not be charged a dime. Please also like and share this video. Thank you very much. The beans has been mashed enough. Let's go ahead and serve the Ewa Agoyin. The Ewa Agoyin is ready. I'll be having mine with bread. What do you like having yours with? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.